Hello again. We're going to get a little sound comparison on a couple of amazing sopranos. This Pop's Pineapple Sundae, very unique ukulele. But I figured if there was a uk worthy of comparing it to, it would be the Koaloha Pineapple. Both absolutely stunning ukes. Both are strung with UkeSA strings right now. I did want to make a little correction from my first video. I mentioned this was a spruce top, but I said I also thought it was a spruce back, extremely tight grained. But this is actually pine back and sides. Even looking at the end grain, I mean, boy, it just looked a lot like the spruce. I just thought it was spruce, but it is in fact pine back and sides, and spruce top. I just wanted to make that note. The Pops and the Pineapple are a lot different. But I can still, they still got that Koaloha twang to them. Very punchy, loud, extremely loud ukuleles. At least as loud as a lot of my concerts, and well, I guess louder than even some of my concerts are. The Pops has a softer tone shape to it than the Pineapple does. Now when I say softer, that brings to mind quieter, but it's in no way, quieter. It's just, warmer, a little bit softer of a shape. Like I said, it's just, the Pineapple is extremely spunky. Like I said, both of them's punchy, but the Pineapple's got, a bit more brightness and stuff to it, a little more twang, maybe. The Pops is a little deeper tone, and especially if you let that back resonate with that top. I mean, it's just got a real deep, drummy sound of the tone. I mean, it just... I mean, amazing. The Pops is probably does a little better up the fretboard than the Pineapple does. Pineapple does good, but the Pops, I mean, it's just got a really standout tone way up the fretboard. Now I can't play. Do a little bit of Aloha Oe. that's where I forgot Aloha Oe. I've got my tabs printed out. I'm trying to go back over them and pick it back up. I'll get it. I've just lost my place in it. Alright, kind of a longer video here. Just do a little bit of Can't Help Falling in Love on these. That's kind of a song that sopranos a lot of times have a little hard time with for me.